Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second video in FreeCAD 2-minute tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Revolve tool in Part Design Workbench of FreeCAD. Let's get into the content. First, we have to open the FreeCAD. The FreeCAD version I'm using here is 1.1.2, which is the latest version while I'm recording this video. Once FreeCAD is opened, just click empty file. We have to create a body to draw the sketch. So in order to create body, click new body, and we have to draw the sketch to revolve. So click new sketch, select the plane you want to draw the sketch. I select YZ plane. You can select whatever you want. Here we have to draw the sketch to revolve. Just to draw any shape. For easy understanding, I draw rectangle. Put dimension for this rectangle. I make it 50 mm, and this one is 10 mm. So we have drawn rectangle in our sketch. Just click close. We saw the sketch in this place. So there is a revolve button here and here. Clicking either will give the same result. I click here. So we got the revolve result of our sketch. In this revolution parameters, here we can change the angle. Changing angle will give different result. See the difference whenever I am decreasing the angle. This is how revolve works. If we change this axis to horizontal axis, the revolution will be different. See the result. By changing the angle, we will get a different shape. So this is how the Revolve tool works in FreeCAD. If you found this helpful, like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.